Hello friends, welcome to Janam Software. In this video, we are going to understand customer self-onboarding in Janam Software. You can see that Janam Software can be accessed using a different website also, which will be your website. The front will be your website and back will be Janam Software. Now, here you can see that customer can log in and provide his details and apply for a loan. Using your website, customer will click new registration, enter, customer will click new registration. Here will be your website. Customer will click on new registration. Customer will enter the name. Customer will enter the name and here customer will enter his mobile number. Here I click I agree. This is going to be your company's terms and conditions. That is, this will be your company's agreement for your customer or borrower. Once I click register to apply loan, OTP is sent to your mobile and your login ID will be this. So now I can show you where I have received the OTP. So you can see here I have received the OTP. Okay, so I'm going to enter my mobile number and OTP. And I will enter the OTP. Actually, I will just say login. See, once I have logged in, I can see that the customer is already registered. So here are 5 stages for your customer to apply the loan. So first stage is registration, that is already done. Second stage is where your customer will fill personal details. Third is upload documents. Fourth is view documents and fifth is he can apply loan. Now he can jump from one stage to another except for apply loan. He will be able to apply loan only when his personal details are filled and documents are uploaded. Now let's fill. The customer comes to personal details and he is going to fill all his personal details. Here I am going to fill my mobile number, okay, birth date, and then this is the same entry form that you have in the admin area. Okay, so here here the customer will fill all his details. Location details, here is going to fill whatever user ID, that is Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, here whatever his business is. Okay, here if he has a pic, he can upload a pic. Otherwise, I am going to save these details. So now customer has filled the personal details. Now he can upload the documents. Say he is going to also, one more thing is in this personal details you can set your own conditions before the customer apply loan. That is, you can set up rules like what fields you want to make mandatory for the borrower. Okay, so next is upload documents. In upload documents, what we are going to do is you want your customer to upload documents. So you can make and ask you can make certain documents mandatory for your customer. So he can select this document type from here. This document type is coming from the admin panel, which I will show later. So suppose I am choosing PAN card here. So okay, I'm going to browse a file. So here I have a PAN card and I will just say upload all documents. Now as I said, you can also ask the customer to fill in information and add it without the file also. Okay, and you can whatever documents you want to make mandatory, you can make it mandatory. Now if you go and see the customer, whoever has uploaded, he will be able to see that the PAN card has been uploaded. Now if say by mistake the customer makes a mistake and he puts some other document, or he wants to make some changes, he can delete this document from here. But this can only be done if his document is not verified by admin or your staff. Okay, if this document is verified, then he cannot delete it. Otherwise he can delete and upload it. Now the last stage is to apply loan. Now when I go to apply loan, I am just here, this is the product scheme that is created by the admin. So here we have created one education loan scheme which will be for 10,000. Now I am going to say I agree. This is again this is again the specific agreement of your company for loan purpose. Okay, also the amount here, this is based on the customer parameters and documents that he has uploaded, and you can define this range based on the documents that the customer has uploaded. So now I am going to go ahead and apply the loan. So loan is applied successfully. Okay, so now I am going to show that will come in the loan approval. Now if you see, I can show you in my mobile that dear Gauri, we have received your loan application. So you will get the customer will apply the loan and the admin will get this message. So now let's log into admin panel. Okay, now I am going to log into admin panel. Login. Once you log into admin panel, you will be able to see that the customer's loan, in customer, if you go in loan approval, we can see that the loan is in new request. Here is new request. You will see new request here. Gauri Karmali, this is the new request of 10,000. Okay, now what I can do is I can quickly go and show you in master setup document list. You can see where you can set all the documents for your customers. See, PAN card, there is Aadhaar card, so you can just select the document type and add. Now few of the mode of verification of this document is automatic, auto. That means these documents can be automatically verified by Jainam Software's APIs. Now also there's one more thing I can show you where we can verify. Like suppose I select the customer. Okay, we know that he's already uploaded his we know that he has already uploaded his documents. So that was a PAN card that he had uploaded. So here you can see PAN card. Now when you click on verify, this PAN card will be verified. Okay, it will be verified and you will get the results here that the PAN card is verified successfully. So this way documents can be automatically verified. Now when we go to loan approval, here the one that new request is sitting here from Om Sai Finance. The admin will go here and he will approve this loan. And we can see that one SMS has been sent. Now I can show you the SMS as well. Okay. So here you can see, dear Gauri, your loan status is approved. So your loan is approved. Now I go back and I refresh this, you will see that the loan is in approved state. Now when you go here, down below you can see that there is a section called print format. This print format is for printing your loan related documents. You can also send them through email. This is the email icon. If you click this icon, all your loan related documents can be sent to your customer. Here you can see the document list that is uploaded. We had uploaded PAN card. Okay. Also you can set the auto debit NASH here. So money will be directly debited from customer's bank to financer's bank. Okay. Now here you can see that there are two buttons, disburse manually and disburse payout. If you do this disburse auto payout, when you click, automatically money will be transferred from financer bank to customer bank. Okay, but for now I am going to do a disburse manual. So we can see here that loan number 8 is saved successfully and also an SMS has been sent. Now I can show you the disbursement. Here your loan is disbursed for loan account 8 by cash. Okay, so now we can also see that the loan has been created. You can check here, loan number 8. When I select this loan number 8, you will see that the education loan has been created for Gauri. Okay, now if you go and see here, you will see print format from where you can print the loan related documents. You can see that there is an installment tracker here. You can see that there is an installment tracker here and it will show you the exact dates and the exact amounts. Okay, then you can go down and you can see that there is also the transactions which will show you when the money is received or when the EMI is received. Like for example, I am going to receive this 490 EMI. So first of all, one SMS message will be sent. I can show that SMS message here. You can see that there is a SMS message here. Amount of rupees 490 is received. So we have received that. Now if you go down and check the installment tracker, you can see that 490 has been received fully. Okay, and then you can see the transaction also. In transaction it will show you that it is received. Okay, here received by cash. Now once the loan is created, we have also seen how it can be received. So friends, in this way, customer can onboard himself and then he can apply for a loan. Admin can go ahead, he can approve the loan. We have seen all the SMSs that comes to the admin when the loan is applied. Also the SMS that goes when we receive the repayment and when the loan is disbursed. Also I can show you that there in master setup there is settings where we can do all these SMS settings. In master setup setting, if you go, we can do all the settings here. There is SMS service and we can see that all the settings are customized. They can be customized. The templates can be done as per your need. So friends, in this way, a lot of manual effort is reduced. Okay, everything in Jainam software is automated to an extreme stage. Everything is digitalized, right from customer applying the loan to admin approving the loan, disbursing the loan, repayment. There's also the auto debit NASH feature where the customer or the financer they don't need to do anything. Okay, they don't need to go to the bank or anything. So in this way everything is digitalized. So I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching this video. Also please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you so much and have a great day.